Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to deactivate Facebook account. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Facebook, then tap on menu, scroll down and tap settings and privacy, then tap settings and tap here, scroll down and tap personal details, then tap account ownership and control, then tap deactivation or deletion, then tap your account and tap deactivate account and continue, and here enter your password, then tap continue, and here you can select the reason. I'll select this one and tap continue. Perfect. And here you can automatically reactivate your account after 7 days or 2 days or 4 days, or if you don't, you can just tap don't reactivate automatically, and then you can reactivate your account anytime you want, and then tap continue. And that's it, how you can deactivate your account on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you to the next video.